Hi and welcome to DIY with Andy and Candy. Today we're going to be talking about the PXC 2-in-1 nail and staple gun. It's the perfect tool for some quick fixing projects and we've got some great tips to get you started.
Nailing your project is about 4 factors, and set yourself up to practice this first. How hard or soft the timber is, what length of nail you're using, how much tension to set your tool to, and how much physical pressure you need to apply.
This tool tells me when it's safe to fire a nail as the light comes on when it's good to fire into the timber.
Using a test piece of material the same as your project, fire some nails into it and adjust any settings accordingly. That way when you start your project, you'll be able to nail it the first time.
You can adjust the force of the staple nail gun just by turning the dial clockwise. That increases the strength, but you may need to put a little more downward pressure.
Is the nail sitting proud? No big deal, as you can just knock it in with a hammer. But using a test piece will help you change the tension.
For harder materials, firmly hold down the nail gun with 2 hands while firing. Like with nearly all power tools, 2 hands are better than 1.
If you're having a little trouble getting the nails to fire straight, perhaps finding or creating a resting block like this could help.
So go ahead and like and subscribe to our Ozito YouTube channel for more videos. See you soon.